SNAP Ed program set to shut down by October 1st now.
Now, this means dozens of nutrition education resources for low-income families and SNAP participants may no longer exist. It also leaves dozens of employees without a job.
Our Janae Reese joining us now in studio. Janae, you had a chance to speak with some of the educators who will be losing their jobs now. What were they able to share with you today?
Well, Rick and Nikki, I spoke with one project leader and educator for the Baltimore region, and she says they are working to get as much as they can get done before they lose their jobs and to help families. But right now, their biggest concern are the resources their communities may not have in the near future. Amy Callahan is a project leader educator for Maryland's SNAP Ed program.
One of the things we do is we work with food and nutrition services to highlight and promote fruits and vegetables on the cafeteria lunch line. We provide trainings to food service managers, food service staff.
Callahan works with dozens of schools, Judy centers, farmers markets, and food pantries in Baltimore City and County.
In 2024, we reached around 9,000 participants through direct education classes. So that's, we are going in teaching the classes to both family, teachers, and students. And it totaled over 2,100 hours of education.
But soon her job and 70 others like it across the state will be gone due to new provisions in what President Trump calls his big, beautiful bill that was signed into law in July. Maryland SNAP Ed is within the University of Maryland Extension and gets all of its funding from the federal government. Money that will no longer exist after October 1st.
It really takes a community, and we were one of those, organizations that really helped people to be healthy.
Lisa Lackenmeyer is the director of Maryland SNAP Ed and says statewide, nearly 700 community partners at sites that serve low-income individuals, including schools, pre-K sites, and Head Start, will no longer receive programming and support from their office starting this fall.
I do hope that at some point we'll be able to do some of the work again, but I don't see it happening, as of October 1.
And I think right now what we're focused on is just working with our current partners and ensuring they have the materials and resources they need to continue the programming in our absence and hopefully, keep the programs going.
The director of SNAP Ed says with how fast everything is happening, they're trying to do what they can before their services end. Right now, they're working with their partners to make sure at least some of the resources are available online. Guys, back to you.
All right, Janae, thank you.